Hello, welcome to my video tutorial. In this video I will show you how to convert your MKV video file into a MP4 video file on OBS Studio. First of all, why people prefer MP4 over MKV file format? Because of its native compatibility and effective compression, MP4 is the recommended format for videos on smartphones, tablets, and other devices. This means that users can store and stream videos using the least amount of system resources, storage, and data. The second reason is compatibility. Many devices support MP4 as a default video file format. So in this video I will show you how to convert your MKV video file into a MP4 video file on OBS Studio. By the way, if you want to support my channel, you can visit my Redbubble shop and purchase some of my products there as a support to my JTutorials YouTube channel. Thank you for your support. Okay, let's continue to the main topic video tutorial. First, open the OBS Studio you've already installed. On the top left corner, click File. Click Remux Recordings. Here you will see a window of video file conversion. You must have MKV video file ready to convert it into MP4 file. Click the three dots on the right side of the OBS recording. Then choose a file you want to convert into MP4. Or you can drag a MKV file from your desktop to this window. Click Open. Once you have chosen a MKV file, click Remux. And that's it. Now let's open the converted MP4 video file. And that's pretty much it for how to convert your MKV video file into a MP4 video file on OBS Studio. If this video is helpful or useful, leave a comment below, and also make sure to like, share, subscribe, and click the bell notification icon for more tutorial videos in the future. Thank you for watching this video tutorial, and have a good day.